Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 1 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 1 math, and then click on view all lessons. There you can find the list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter measurement. The lessons we're going to cover today are which customary unit of length is appropriate, which customary unit of weight is appropriate, compare and convert cups, pins, and cords, which metric unit of length is appropriate. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Here I am on grade 1 math. The chapter we are on right now is measurement. Let's just start with the lesson that is which customary unit of length is appropriate. So let's just start with an example. Which is a better estimate for the height of a boot? Boot 13 feet 13 inches. So which is the correct option? That is a boot, right? So it would be 13 inches because feet is too tall for the length of the boot. So basically inches and feet, they both have the unit of height, but 30 feet is used to measure tall objects, right? And inches is used to measure the small objects. So that is just a boot, so it would be 13 inches, right? Okay, then next one is which is the better estimate for the length of a great white shark? So that's a great white shark, right? So 15 inches is too short to measure the shark because sharks are too long. So it would be measured in feet. So the correct option is 15 feet. Got it? That is 15 feet. Which is the better estimate for the length of a piece of grass? So which is the correct option? That is a piece of grass, so it would be 2 inches because the feet is a bigger unit, right? So it would be 2 inches. The correct option is 2 inches. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Which is the better estimate for the height of a shower head? So which is the correct option, 6 feet or 6 inches? The correct option is 6 inches, right? That's just a shower head, so it must be 6 inches. Option number 1 is the correct option. Oh, 6 inches is too short. It would be 6 feet. The correct option is 6 feet. Sorry. Which is a better estimate for the length of a finger, 2 inches or 2 feet? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 2 inches. Option number one is the correct option. That's just the length of the finger. So it must be in inches, not in feet, right? Which is a better estimate for the height of a swing set, 7 inches or 7 feet? Which is the correct option? The correct option is swing set. It is right. So 7 feet is too small. It must be 7. Sorry, 7 inches is too small. It must be 7 feet. The correct option is option number one. 7 feet it is. Which is a better estimate for the height of a ketchup bottles, 1 inch, 1 foot? The correct option is 1 foot. 1 inch is too small for the ketchup bottle, right? It must be 1 foot. Which is the better estimate for the length of a postcard? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is 5 inches. Option number one is the correct option. Which is a better estimate for the length of a rack? 5 inches, 5 feet. The correct option is 5 feet, I think, right? Option number one is the correct option. Okay, very good. Which is a better estimate for the length of a tennis racket? 27 feet, 27 inches. The correct option is 27 inches. 27 feet is too long for the length of the racket, okay? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. That is which customary unit of weight is appropriate. Now we're going to learn the units of weight, right? Which is a better estimate for the weight of a violin? That is 1 ounce and 1 pound. So now we are going to see which is the unit to measure the things that are heavy, right? 1 ounce is too light. Ounce is a smaller unit, right? Used to measure the smaller things. 1 pound is a better estimate to measure the weight of the violin, right? Which is a better estimate for the weight of of an razor. 3 pounds, 3 ounces. That is 3 ounces because that's just a razor, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Let's see how do we learn the units of weight, which is a better estimate for the height of an umbrella. 1 pound, 1 ounce. So which is the correct option? 1 pound is too, sorry, 1 ounce is too light for the weight of an umbrella, right? So it must be 1 pound. The weight of the umbrella is 1 pound, not 1 ounce, right? Which is a better estimate for the weight of a chicken sandwich? 7 ounces, 7 pounds. That is the weight of the chicken sandwich, right? So that must be 7 ounces. 7 pounds is too much for the weight of the sandwich, right? Very good. Which is a better estimate for the weight of a bicycle? 24 pounds, 24 ounces. The correct option is 24 pounds. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 24 pounds, not ounces. Which is the better estimate for the weight of our dining table? The correct option is dining table it is, so it must be heavy. Very good. That is 47 pounds. Option number one is the correct option. Which is the better estimate for the weight of a seagull? 17 ounces, 17 pounds. The correct option is, I think, 17 pounds. Option number two is the correct option. That is 17 ounces. 17 pounds is too heavy. Which is the better estimate for of a heavy suitcase? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is 43 pounds. Option number one is the correct option. That must be heavy. Which is a better estimate for the weight of a baseball bat? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is, that is just a baseball bat, right? So, it must be 28 ounces. Option number two is the correct option. Very good. Which is a better estimate for the weight of a violin? 1 ounce, 1 pound. So, which is the correct option? That is violin. So, it must be 1 pound. Option number two is the correct option. Which is a better estimate for the weight of a tomato? Which is the correct option? The weight of a tomato. That must be 4 ounces. 4 pounds is too much for the weight of tomato. Very good. Which is a better estimate for the weight of a shopping cart? 18 ounces, 18 pounds. The correct option is 18 ounces. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is compare and convert cups, pens, and cords. So let's just start with the lesson. Okay, which is more, 8 cups or which is more, 8 cups or 1 quarts? So 1 quart is same as 4 cups. These are the basic conversion units. You can must note them down and learn them because they are very important. 1 quart equal 4, right? So the question is which is more, 1 quart or 8 cups? So obviously then 8 cups is more than 4 cups, right? So 8 cups is more than 1 quart. Got it? The next one is which is more, 1 pint or 3 cups? So 1 pint equals 2 cup. You can note them down. These are the basic conversion units. Where is the pen? Pint equal 2 cups, right? So then 3 cups is more than 2 cups. The next one is 4 cups. 4 cups equal how many quarts? 4 cups equal 1 quarts. These are the basic conversion units. You need to keep them in your mind so you can note them down. 1 pint equal how many cups? The correct option is 1 pint equal 2 cups. The correct option is option number 2, that is 2 cups. The next one is which is more, 4 cups or 1 quart? The correct option is 4 cups or 1 quart. They are equal because 1 cup equal 1 quart equal 4 cups. So they are exactly equal. Convert 4 cups. 4 cups equal how many quarts? 4 cups equal one quart. Option number 2 is the correct option. Which is more, 4 cups or 1 pint? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is 4 cups is more than 1 pint. Why? Because 1 pint is equal to 2 cups. So then obviously 4 cups is more than 1 pint. Option number 2 is the correct option. Which is more, 8 cups or 1 quart? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 8 cups. The correct option is, which is more, obviously 8 cup, because 1 quart equal 4 cups. So then 8 cups is more than 1 quart. Option number 1 is the correct option. Convert 4 cups equal how many quarts? Four cups equal 1 quart. Option number 1 is the correct option. Two pints equal how many cup? That is 2 cups equal 1 quart. Option number 2 is the correct option. Which is more, 1 quart or 7 cups? 7 cups is more because 1 quart equal 4 cups. So the correct option is 7 cups. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is which metric unit of length is appropriate? Let's just start with the lesson. Which is a better estimate for the height of a toaster? 20 meters, 20 centimeters. Which is the correct option? That is the height of a toaster, right? So that must be 20 centimeters because 20 meters is too tall. The next one is which is the better estimate for the height of a blender? 49 centimeter or 49 meters. The correct option is 49 centimeter. Let's just start with the test questions. Which is the better estimate for the length of a basketball court? 28 meters or 28 centimeter. The correct option is 28 meter because that is the basketball court, right? So it must be in meters. Which is the better estimate for the height of a computer screen? Computer screen, so it must be 25 centimeter because meters are too long for the computer screen. Yes, that is the last one for today. Which is the better estimate for the height of a toaster? Toaster, the height of the toaster that must be 20 centimeter. Option number two is the correct option. Which is a better estimate for the height of length of a teeter totter? So which is the correct option? That is the length of teeter totter. So it must be 5 centimeter. Option number two is the correct option. Oh, that is 5 meters. Sorry. Which is the better estimate for the length of a popsicle stick? That is 12 centimeters. Option number one is the correct option. That is whale. The length of the killer whale, so that is 7 meters. Option number one is the correct option. Which is the better estimate for the length of a diving board? So, which is the correct option? Diving board, 3 meters. Option number one is the correct option. Which is the better estimate for the length of a pencil? That is 18 centimeter. Option number two is the correct option. Which is a better estimate for the height of a five-story building? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 14 meters because that's a five-story building. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 1 math. The chapter we were working on is measurement, and the lessons we have covered today are which customary unit of length is appropriate, which customary unit of weight is appropriate, cups, pins, and cords, and which metric unit of length is appropriate. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you. Or either you can write down the questions in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So you can please ask questions for which you need help. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Any questions you can please ask if you have any. No questions?